Your journey in skilled trades starts at Humber College. Plumbing, carpentry, electrical, welding, industrial woodworking, construction, renovation labs, and so much more. And it's all right here at the Humber College Centre for Skilled Trades and Technology. If you're looking for a rewarding career, skilled trades at Humber College is for you. Ontario's trade industry is growing like never before, and Humber is committed to building a strong, skilled workforce. Right here in Toronto, you'll find a unique, state-of-the-art facility that takes you beyond the traditional classroom and provides you with hands-on practice and a simulated worksite, giving you specialized skills and training from industry experts. Let's check it out.
Students walk away with the skill sets that the employers are looking to start with. The amount of time they spend within the labs helps them learn about the installation methods of the particular trade they are going into.
Our facilities, they're absolutely realistic. They simulate what it's like to wire a house, or they simulate what it's like to wire a business.
Skilled trades at Humber are unlimited employment opportunities.
Well, I chose Humber because you're able to work side by side with other trade skilled members, like the plumbers, the welders, and the carpenters. So you get experience and you get familiar with the other trades.
It's a lot of hands-on work. I've had an amazing time talking with the professors.
I've always liked being creative, and I personally want to pursue a career in prop and set design for movies.
I was always in love with going into the garage and seeing my dad working on cars and fixing stuff for people in the neighborhood. As I was getting older, I needed something to be stable. I finally decided to get into a trade because I had seen everyone that was in a trade having very successful careers at it. Now I have a job which is amazing and I love it. I love welding. I love coming to work every single day.
For me, it's interesting, amazing, and you can find your confidence.
There's so many projects, but you're actually creating with your hands. You're seeing it form before your eyes.
I couldn't even count the number of directions you could go. If you like the hands-on end of it, there's plenty of that.
I didn't know these people 6 months ago, right? And now they're like my best friends. It's been an amazing time here.
The trades is very high in demand, and that's why I chose the electrical techniques program at Humber College.
If you've been waiting for a reason to get started in the skilled trades, this is it. Start your journey at Humber Centre for Skilled Trades and Technology and take charge of your future. Visit humber.ca to get started.